find the LCM, or least common multiple, of three numbers. We're looking at the numbers 8, 12, and 16, and I want to use my prime factorization technique to do this. So what I would do is grow the tree for 8, right? That's 2 times 4. 2 is prime, keep going. 4 is not. 4 is 2 times 2, right? So I know that the multiple that I create here has to be at least 8, or at least 2 times 2 times 2. I'm starting to build the multiple, right? That makes sense, right? Because how could you have a multiple of 8 if the number itself is not at least 8, right? The first multiple of 8 is 8 itself, and then 16 and so forth. So you need to have whatever multiple exists for these three numbers, it has to be at least 8. So moving on, we have 12 next. 12 is 2 times 6, of course. 2 is prime, and 6 is 2 times 3. Right? This means that in order to make the number 12, I need 2 times 2 times 3. But for a least common multiple, right, I've already used these two 2's. The number 4, or 2 times 2, is already embedded within the two 2's from 8. So all I need to add now is this 3. Right? Because now if you think about it, these three numbers, right, 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. So this least common multiple has to be at least 12 as well. But we didn't have that. That's why we added that 3 in there to make 12. And we keep going. One more to go. We have 16, right? 16 is 2 times 8, and 2 is prime. 8 is not. Keep growing it. 2 times 4, right? Oops. 4 is not prime. Keep growing this. And I get 2 times 2. Now, in order to make 16, we need 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. But we already have 3 2's from the 8. But we need our fourth 2 in here to finish our multiple. And that's it. So now we have our least common multiple. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Right? That's what we knew from this factor tree right here. Times 3, right? 16 times 3 is our least common multiple. So that's 48. Alright, hope that helped.